Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, May the 22nd, 2021. In this edition, we have two puzzles left: tectonic and a binary. And tomorrow on Sunday, I will do the other three puzzles: letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with 1 star. Tomorrow it's with Sunday. This weekend is Pentecost weekend, so on Monday we don't receive any newspaper, and I will continue with the edition of last Friday. But first we will solve this baby, and this will be a number 2 8 3 1. All right, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. All right, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. And between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Alright. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then, yeah. Then, let me see. I think we need to compare. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in the first row, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 in those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order, but we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then, yeah. I think we need to compare again. Yeah. All right, let me see. 01. Yeah, this column and the first column. 0011 empty box. 11 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.